Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. After the big rainstorms, I came downstairs to look and see what was going on in the basement, and of course it's flooded because the water's coming down the chimney. Now I fixed the water heater, I fixed the sewer line, I fixed the wall, the hole in the wall. Now it's coming down the chimney. What next? While you're watching this, I'm going to be sleeping. Been up all night cleaning up the shop. That big rainstorms that you saw, well, I managed to live through them, but I flooded the basement. Came down through the chimney. Well, this is a 16-gallon wet or dry vac. And what I have here is a 5-gallon pail. It's going to take 3 trips. Needed something pumped down here. Maybe 4 trips. it's always sumpy. Got the floor dry, but everything is in a worse shambles than when it started. I've got stuff scattered all over creation. Workbench is piled higher than it ever has been before. Fortunately, I had all the planes up off the floor. So everything is going to be fine. All the planes that were in the first 8 are in this box. No damage at all. Really no damage to anything other than a couple of cardboard boxes full of junk. I mean, literally, stub ends of wood and some wine bottles that I was going to use to make sea glass. Won't hurt those at all. So tomorrow, after I wake up, I'll get back down here and start straightening up again. The ironic thing is, I was coming downstairs to straighten up the basement because, you know, I had been doing the plane video and had everything all kind of piled all around the place so I could get the planes onto the table. Now, that's how it goes. Any dirt there. It's flooding. Clear out by the fire pit. I got a lake. Five inches of rain last night. Lost just a couple of old dead sticks out of the trees. No damage to the house that I can see. Other than flooding the basement. I can't imagine that we got 30 gallons of water down through the chimney. It just amazes me. But that's where it came from. There was a line of water down from the chimney door to the floor on the wall. I know, because I was over there vacuuming it up, trying to find out where the leak was. Thought maybe the water heater sprung a leak again. But no, it was water coming down from the chimney. So now I got to figure out some way to baffle that chimney so that the water can't blow past the... I've never had water come down the chimney before. But then there's always a first time for everything. Just amazes me how many times I have to vacuum the floor in the basement. I really need to put a sump pump in. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.